All right, this is Roost Van's Fu-Kit bed system. It stands for flip up kit bed system. And this is installable at multiple locations and your van, perfect for getting mountain bikes underneath. But the big benefit of the flip up kit bed system is both the couch and the instant access in your garage area, both front and rear. So in this case, we have a deep sofa because this bed system is shown as a 3-panel. This is also available as a 2-panel, which would give you a normal size couch, and that 2-panel is intended for side-to-side sleeping and giving you access to the pockets on the side of the van. Now, this rail system allows for reinstalling your bed at multiple heights throughout your van without removing your bed. Big selling point if it's raining outside. Putting it down again, just as easy as pushing this down. And we have a mattress solution that we offer as well. Now the bed itself is made out of powder-coated steel and finished bamboo. Cross rails here are made out of steel, and you can remove these bed panels off of the flip-up kit, and then you'd be left with your 2-panel bed system. And that's our flip-up kit bed system. It's shown right now as the lower bunk of our bunk bed system, coupled with our strap-up bed. That's about it. It's available as a DIY product, mail order from roostvans.com. Check us out.